Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry it took forever. Sorry I haven't been uploading the New Balance videos like I promised, but I get busy and I've been moving to a new apartment, so I haven't really had time to actually sit down and make these videos. I haven't even bought a microphone yet, so I apologize for this terrible audio quality. I swear I promise I will buy a microphone soon. And just wanted to clear that up, give you guys my excuse. But I got something for you, and the reason I'm making this video today is because I got this here. Went over to the Space Village store over in Rice Village in Houston, which is Travis Scott's new store, where he's going to be releasing his merch and his shoes and everything else. And I got a special pair of his Nike SB collaboration. We got the limited box, guys. Like, I was pretty stoked when I saw him post this on IG, and I didn't think we were gonna get the box at the store. I went in and signed up for the raffle, and I wasn't sure what box we were gonna get. I thought it was just gonna be the regular rainbow Nike SB box that they're doing now. But this box is pretty awesome. We got the pink Nike SB. We got the paisley print, the bandana print all over the front of the box. Over here, we got the Cactus Jack logo. We also got the size 10.5. It's my size if any of you guys want to give me free shoes. Over here on the side, we got the paisley print, Nike SB logo right here in the back with the plaid print. And honestly, the shoes, you've seen plenty of YouTube videos, I'm sure, of the shoes already, but I'll give you guys a little view of the shoes here. Let's see. So I'll do this one. So, just a basic rundown of the shoe. You got your nice brown tan suede, little beige suede. Very nice suede. I love the tongue on this shoe. It's very nice, very plush. The rope laces are the ones that come standard. You also have your pink and black laces as well. My favorite part about this shoe is this pink swoosh right here. This beautiful pink swoosh. I love the detail. Right here, the back, you got the Nike logo embroidered in pink. On the inside, you got the plaid, and I love the hit in the shoes. In the Air Force Ones, you can catch that as well on the tongue. It just has that, and I think it's a really nice, just a little nice detail. On the other side, you have your black swoosh on the left, on the outer part of the shoe. So you have the pink inside, black on the outside. And probably the coolest detail about this shoe is like this corduroy, like workwear paisley print. And under that paisley print, you actually have the elephant swoosh, kind of like the Jordan 3 type style, but it's like the Cactus Jack mix. It looks pretty cool. It's under the shoe. You honestly have to beat your shoe, skate in your shoe if you want it to show up, or you can cut it, which I'm sure that's what a lot of people are gonna do, because I know people aren't really gonna skate in these shoes. I mean, I would if I still skated, but I was never good to begin with. So the inside of the shoe, you got Nike SB, and then you got the Cactus Jack logo inside. I'll try and get some better shots of that if I can. Bottom of the shoe, got a nice off-white type, like almost beige sole. And honestly, these shoes are really nice, but since I have the box, I'm thinking of selling it, guys, because the prices on these are ridiculous right now. They're around like $1,800, $1,600, like the highest offer right now. So I'm really thinking about selling these. I do like the shoe, but I haven't really been wearing many SBs lately. I told you guys I'm still on a New Balance way, but I had to go and try and pick these up because honestly, these are pretty cool. I wasn't expecting trying to get this box, but it happened. Just actually going out to the store and signing up for the raffle was ridiculous. I had to go to the store. You have to purchase something in the store, and I ended up purchasing a t-shirt because all the cheap stuff was gone. I was just gonna buy a keychain or some socks or something, but that didn't work out because everything was sold out. So I ended up getting this shirt. It's just a please give me space shirt. Honestly, the cool little detail about this shirt that I like is it's like the stain of the pocket, like a pocket tee. On the back you have a space village. Honestly, I'm not gonna wear the shirt because it doesn't even fit me. Yeah, it's a size small, so I'll see what I'm gonna do with this. Maybe I'll do a giveaway, something like that. We'll see. But yeah, guys, getting these shoes was a nightmare. It was insane. I waited from 3:30 in the afternoon till 7 p.m. at night, and I was there with my friend Andrew. We were the last two people in the group that was supposed to go next. It was around 6:50, and then the police officer told us that they were gonna cut off everything, and that's it. That it was over. Everyone had to go home. But once the cops said that, everyone just bomb rushed to the front of the store and tried to sneak in. So I was like, I waited up this whole time. I'm gonna go try and get inside, because the security guard remembered us. He's like, okay, these two guys were in line, and he let us in. And then the store manager comes out. He's like, no one's supposed to be in here. Everybody get out. So I just maneuver my way to the side, to the left part of the room. I see the t-shirts there. I was like, can I get a t-shirt in a medium? They're like, yeah, let me go check your size. We don't have your size. All we have is small. I was like, I don't care. I'll take whatever you have. So I ended up taking that in a small. I pay, sign up for my raffle, come home. I get an email probably around 11 o'clock that I got the shoes, and I couldn't believe it. I was so excited. And today is Friday. I went to pick up the shoes at 3 o'clock. The wait wasn't long. It was a lot easier than yesterday. Literally probably took me 20 minutes to get the pair. And they had other merch in there from his skateboarding is not a crime t-shirt and all that, but I didn't need anything else. I didn't want to spend any more money. So I got the shoes. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I know I'm promising I'm gonna try to make some more videos. I still have some New Balance that I haven't unboxed yet, but I appreciate you guys watching this video. Give me a like, subscribe, please share with your friends, your homies, everybody, please. I promise I'm gonna try to do some more videos and better quality as well. I know I need to get a microphone, but thank you guys for watching, and tune in next time. I'll let you guys know whenever. Hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell, and you'll get notified whenever I do a video. So thanks guys, have a good one. I'll see you next time.